Let's talk about the basic components of Splunk, which has three, as you can see: search head, the forwarder, and the indexer. Regarding the forwarders, this is the simplest component. All it does is collect the data from the machines and send it to the indices to be processed. It is usually installed in the data sources. So if I'm collecting data from the web server, then I will install the forwarder on the web server. It takes very little space and uses very little CPU, which makes it very easy to install and has no virtual impact on the equipment. On the other hand, we have the indexers that are the ones that process the incoming data from the forwarders. And what they do is to store events in the indexes. An indexer can have different indexes to collect information from different forwarders. So each time it receives information, it creates internal directories that are ordered with a timestamp with the date so that it is easier to search them for later. Finally, we have the most visible component to the end user, which is the search heads, which allows us to use the Splunk language to the search for the information. When we make a query, the search head distributes that query among the appropriate indexes to go faster, consolidating the information, and once it's consolidated, it enriches those results to show to the user later. Additionally, it has also other functionalities. This would be super basic architecture of how Splunk works. But as you will see later, depending on the complexity of our architecture, we can have more components. This is all for today. See you in the next class.